Welcome back to @AIGPT_Python. If you're a Python developer, these 10 libraries will take your coding skills to the next level. Whether you're into data science, web development, or automation, these tools will make your work easier and more efficient. Let's get started. NumPy is the backbone of scientific computing in Python. It provides powerful tools for working with arrays, mathematical operations, and handling large datasets efficiently. Pandas makes data analysis super easy. It allows you to clean, transform, and analyze structured data effortlessly. If you're working with data, Pandas is a must. Want to create stunning visualizations? Matplotlib and Seaborn help you generate plots, charts, and graphs to understand data trends clearly. If you're getting into AI and machine learning, scikit-learn is essential. It provides easy-to-use tools for classification, regression, clustering, and more. For deep learning enthusiasts, TensorFlow and PyTorch power modern AI applications like image recognition and natural language processing. These libraries are game changers. Want to build web apps with Python? Flask is lightweight and flexible, while Django is a full-stack web framework with built-in security and scalability. Here on @AIGPT_Python, we love exploring these frameworks. Request makes working with APIs and web scraping incredibly easy. Whether you're fetching data from a website or automating interactions, this library is a must-have. Need to scrape web data? Beautiful Soup and Scrapy allow you to extract and parse information from websites efficiently. Stay tuned to @AIGPT_Python for future web scraping tutorials. For image processing and computer vision tasks, OpenCV is the way to go. From facial recognition to real-time object tracking, this library powers some of the coolest AI applications. If you love game development, Pygame makes it easy to create two-dimensional games in Python. It handles graphics, sound, and user input seamlessly. At @AIGPT_Python, we might even build a game in a future video. And that's it, 10 Python libraries every developer should know. Which ones do you use the most? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more Python tutorials from @AIGPT_Python. Outro music and call to action.